Hey guys, welcome to Tabby's Kitchen. Today we are making soft and tasty pumpkin chapatis that might outshine your dinner, your breakfast or even your lunch. We are starting off by peeling the pumpkin just to give it a little makeover. Then scoop out the seeds, but don't throw them away. Those little guys are actually super healthy, full of protein and good fats, and they make a great crunchy snack when roasted. Pumpkins in chapatis makes them soft, slightly sweet, and gives them that beautiful golden glow. Plus, it's loaded with vitamin A and vitamin C. Your skin and eyes will thank you later. So for today, I have these seeds that I had peeled earlier. They were dry, and then the ones that I have just removed today, I'm going to wash them and then keep them for future use. So at this point, I'm going to chop my pumpkin into small sizes, and then I'll give it a good wash. Then I'll toss the pumpkin and those peeled seeds into a pot. So at this point, I'm going to add enough water, add some sugar and salt to taste. So I'm using a ratio of 3:1, 3 spoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. And then I'll boil them for about 15 minutes or until they are soft. Then blend it all into a smooth golden paste. If you don't have a blender, you can also mash them with a masher or maybe with a fork until they are soft. And this is what I got. It's a paste. In this pumpkin paste, start adding your all-purpose flour bit by bit. Then whisk gently to bring the mixture together. Once it starts coming together, it's okay to ditch the whisk and go in with your hands. Keep rubbing in until you get a very smooth dough. You will know it's ready when it's no longer sticking to your hand, so keep adding the flour until you get the right consistency for the next step. So here is the thing about chapatis, they can taste the love. So knead that dough like it's your favorite person or like you're giving it a spa day. Take your time, enjoy the moment, because the softer the dough, the softer the chapati. No long naps, no stress, just good vibes and good food. So our dough is ready, and at this point I'm going to add some little oil just to give it a better and soft massage, and then I'll cover it and let it rest for 5 minutes only. The dough is now perfectly set for the next step. Begin by dividing it into portions. Roll the first portion into a smooth and even circle. Gently apply a light layer of oil and give it a soft massage to prepare the dough. Then cut it into small pieces because this is the key step to creating those beautiful and delicate layers. On this first bunch, I'm going to show you how I fold in my chapatis like this, and then in the next one that we kept aside, I'm going to show you with another way. If you're enjoying the video, kindly make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you have subscribed and press the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you'll be able to be notified. We are going to roll the second portion into a small even circle, but on this one, after applying the oil, we are not going to cut into small pieces. We are going to fold it in when it is full, and then we are going to cut the small pieces. And all our pieces are ready for the next step. It's time to bring all your hard work into perfection. Grab the first piece, sprinkle a little flour so it rolls easily, and gently roll it into a nice round circle. Pre-cook the chapati a bit before you apply the oil, then repeat the same procedure with all the pieces. Next, apply a teaspoon of oil on each side and cook on low heat until they turn golden brown. So keep going until all your chapatis are done. So when you're applying the oil, don't be so hard on your chapati. Just do it slowly, softly, to avoid the chapati kukauka. So you can have your chapatis anytime you feel like you want them. Probably you can have them for breakfast with chai or tea, or for lunch and dinner alongside your favorite lentils, kamande, beef curry, beef stews, or maybe any other stew that you want. Or maybe if you want a quick snack, you can pair them with some fresh yogurt or a little spicy smocha. I know munaelewa smocha. It's smoky and chapatis, you get that sandwich, and that's where the magic happens. If you'd like to place an order for these soft layered pumpkin chapatis or any other chapati, you'll find my number in the description box below. And we also do birthday cakes or any other event cake, so feel free to reach me out. And before we go, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. For our returning subscribers, we are so grateful, and we pray that God to bless you all for continued support. Yes, and see you in the next one.